What is your name, place name?
From DaNai.
You are the luckiest girl alive.
Hey y'all, thank you for clicking on today's video. I am going to be getting ready for a photo shoot with my friend Jason. We were just practicing lighting, so I wanted to keep it really simple, but I knew I wanted to add a little bit of definition to my eyes. So of course I'm going to prime them with my P. Louise base, and then I'm taking a nice warm brown and just putting that in my crease. I didn't want to do too much because I like to look good and natural, so definitely put that brown there. And then I took a shade that was really similar to my eyelid after it was primed up, so I put that on with my finger because my brushes were dirty. And then I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner from Wet n Wild just to do a little line, and I'm going to smudge that out before applying my lashes. I do already have a foundation routine, so I'm not going to go into detail, but I did try something new. I never use my concealer to just cover up spots. I know that's what concealer is for, but I've never done that because like back in my youthful day, I never got dark marks, but now I'm getting them, so I decided to try to cover them up first before applying my foundation. And I think this is just the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And then of course I'm doing my highlighting and contouring routine, which is also in detail in that foundation routine video. Because we were using natural light, I knew I wanted to go crazy on the highlight, so I'm just putting that everywhere that I normally would, but just putting a little extra. And lastly, my favorite go-to lip combo, the lip bars brown. I'm not sure exactly what color, but I'll put it down below, or you can go to another video because I'm sure I mentioned it there. And then Caro by NYX, and then on top of that, of course, my butterscotch lip gloss by NYX. I hope you guys really like this look. I think it's really cute and simple, as all my looks are, but I really love a natural look for a photo shoot. It does something for me. I like seeing every skin texture, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!